Good morning, good morning. The sun is up, it's time to play. Hello, hello, it's a brand new day. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Stretch up high and touch your nose. Good morning, good morning. The sun is smiling just for you. Wake up now, there's so much to do.
Hi. Hi, TeeTee's.
Hi! Hey! Hello! Would you like to come on our rainbow run with TeeTee? Yeah? I think so too. We have to find all the colours of a rainbow. Do you think you could help me? I think so too. We have to find red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Will we count to 3 and then start our run? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Red! Red like an apple.
Yummy.
Red like a rose. Red, red, what can you see? Can you point to something red with me? Red! A red apple! Well done! Now we have to find orange. Can you help me? Let's go! Orange! Yay! Orange like a carrot, orange like a flame. Can you play an orange game with me? Yeah? Okay. Orange, orange, tap your elbows. Tap your elbows. Orange, orange, flop your arms like an angry crow. Well done! Okay, next colour on our rainbow run is yellow! Yellow! Let's go find yellow! Yellow! Yellow like the sun! Yellow is so warm and bright! Yellow, yellow, stretch up high and catch the light. Yellow, yellow, spin and glow. Yellow, yellow, spin so slow. Well done! Okay, we're doing great, guys. The next color we have to find is, well, you don't know? That's okay. TeeTee can help. We have found red, orange, yellow. So the next color is green. Let's go find green. Yay, green! Green like the grass, green like the tree. Can you find something green? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Green! Shout yippee! Yippee! Well done! Let's go find blue! Let's go find blue! I'm out of breath on this run. It's so much fun. Can you see blue? 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 Oh, there's blue. Blue like the sky. Blue like the ocean. Can you make some waves with me? Yes, let's give it a try. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Can you find something blue in your house? Yeah, you find run. Let's do it together and run really fast so we can win the run. And let's complete our rainbow. Let's go. Yay! Purple! Purple! Purple like grapes. Purple like a witch's hat. Tiptoe around the witch's hat. Purple is soft and sweet. Now tap your shoulders and tap your feet. Yay! Well done, everybody. I'm so proud of you. You have done amazing in our rainbow run.
Amazing!
We have found all the colours of the rainbow together with TeeTee. Would you like to go over our colours? Yeah, let's do it together. First we find red, then we find orange, then we find yellow, then we find green, then we find blue, and last of all we find purple. Yay! I enjoyed our rainbow run so much. Would you like to sing a rainbow song with TeeTee? Yeah, let's do it together. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go. For this, I'm going to use my stacker. Okay, let's go. Red, orange, yellow two, yellow two, yellow two. Red, orange, yellow two. Let's find a rainbow. Green and blue and purple too. Purple too. Purple too. Green and blue and purple too. Let's go find a rainbow. 6 colors in the sky. In the sky. In the sky. 6 colors in the sky. Yes, we've made a rainbow. Yay! Well done! There are some of the noises that you hear when you're in the jungle. If you go on a safari, you can see the animals from a jungle. Would you like to go on a sound safari with TeeTee? Awesome! Yeah? Let's go! Let's start our safari! Yay! First we have to tiptoe through the jungle so the animals can't hear you.
Okay.
Now we're gonna go stomp, 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 stomp. Are you ready to tiptoe again?
Yeah.
Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
I heard a lion. Did you hear the lion? Can you make a big roar like a lion? Are you ready? On 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Well done! Do you hear the monkeys in the trees? Oh, oh, ah, ah. Oh, oh, you copy their silly sounds with TeeTee? Yeah? Let's do it together. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Well done. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Do you hear the big, loud elephants? Yeah? Can you make a trumpet noise with your trunk like an elephant with TeeTee? Yeah? Let's do it together.
Okay.
Put your arm up, bring it close to your face, and say, "Arrgh! Arrgh!" Wow! Them trumpet noise were excellent.
That's nice.
You make a great elephant noise. Well done. Look up. A bright bird is singing. Singing in the trees. I love listening to birds singing in the trees. It's super cool when you're in a jungle.
Yeah.
Can you make the same noise that a bird makes? Can you sing like a bird? Yeah? Will we do it together with TeeTee? Let's go! Tweet, tweet, tweet! Tweet, tweet, tweet! Tweet, tweet, tweet! Tweet, tweet, tweet! Well done! You're really helping me on this sound safari. You guys are excellent at
Excellent.
making your animal noises. Well done. Let's keep going. It's a slithering snake. Woo!
Oh my
I
God.
don't personally like snakes. I find them quite scary. TeeTee is afraid of snakes, and that's okay. You're allowed to be afraid of snakes, of anything. Can you make the same noise as a snake? Your hissing sound is very good. Well done, little one. Oh dear. Oh dear. Do you see all those horses? Do you? Do you see all those horses behind me? Can you neigh like a horse? A horse says neigh. 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 What does the horse say? Neigh. That's right. Do you know what a horse does when it's walking? A horse walking is called galloping. And to gallop, we can pretend by making this sound. Did you give galloping a try? Well done! Let's do it all together for a horse. Neigh! Neigh! Well done, everybody. You are amazing. You should be so proud of yourselves. Do you hear those frogs? What does the frog say? What does the frog say? Ribbit! 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 Yay! They ribbit! And they hop on their lily pad in the water. Yeah, a frog sits on a lily pad. Can you hop and ribbit like a frog? We'll do it together. Ribbit! 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 Yay! Well done, everybody! The last part of a jungle, which I love, is that you can hear yourself echo. When you speak, when you shout, or when you sing, you can hear an echo. You can hear an echo because the jungle is so big.
Wow.
It's so big, it has to be for all these animals. And also also for the animal's habitat. A habitat is where the animal lives. Would you like to try an echo with me? Can you shout, TeeTee! 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 Yeah, you can echo so well. Well done. Okay, everybody, I think it's time to head back to base, don't you? Will we go? Let's go. We have to remember to tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. And now we stomp, stomp, stomp. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Yay! We're back to camp. Thank you for coming along with TeeTee and helping me learn all the animals of a jungle. We can breathe in and out, and in and out.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.